Good morning, everybody. It's dishwasher repair day. I will give $5 to anyone who can tell me what might be wrong with my dishwasher. Anyone? All right. This is an LDS5540ST. If that's not right, I'll correct it in the description. About 2 weeks ago, it started making a really loud noise. I'm guessing it's bearing noise, or possibly, you know, something with the rotor inside. Anyways, it looks like the seal that goes between the sump and the motor is obviously gone. I don't know how these last this long. Anyways, I think this has been here for probably like 8 years, maybe. It's just a little rubber thing with some springs integrated into it, or maybe some metal integrated into it, and some grease. So I'm actually surprised that it lasted this long, but no longer. I'll post all these part numbers in the description, but it was really, really difficult to find the little seal, because not because the part was hard to find, but it was hard to find the right one. Again, let's see if I can find a model number on this motor. 4681 Echo Delta 1004 A and B. I think there's two revisions of this. I think I have the B revision of the motor. I'll show you when it goes back in. But I'll post a text description of all the parts that I used. There's just not a lot of information linking this particular seal and part to this motor and or dishwasher model. So hopefully I can help somebody out if they're looking for this. I'll post the dimensions as well. While I'm in here, I'm just going to replace anything that's rubber, because I honestly don't feel like opening it up again until I get a new dishwasher. So I hope this helps. We'll just pop out that seal, put a new one in, put a new motor in, all new gaskets, button it up, and we're good. One other retrofit I did on this, and I can't remember if I made another video about it, is this drain pipe. It's kind of a two-piece drain pipe. It is just like made out of crappy plastic, and it cracked on me, so it flooded part of my ceiling, which was great. So rather than spending like $100 to get a new one that's probably just gonna break again, I replaced it with some polyethylene tubing. I think it's like Sioux Chief. Where is it? Sorry, not polyethylene, vinyl. Maybe it's the same thing. I don't know. Anyways, 1/2 inch inner, 3/4 outer. It, like, the original dimension is like, I don't know, 0.47 inner, but it doesn't make a difference if you use enough hose clamps. But this seems to stay pretty pliable and flexible. I think this has been here for 2 years. Maybe don't do that. Use some actual clamps. I didn't have any of those quick clamps that are low profile for over there. But that's been holding for like 2 years, so we're not going to touch it. But that was a nice addition, and it only cost me, I don't know, $10 maybe, as opposed to $100, and you know, something that's going to break again in the future. So good luck fixing.